listen to that sound, sound that I can hardly be around. Put a pillow on my head, just to maybe block the noise. I thought that I'd be able to put up with the snore. I think I've had enough. How could you not wake up? Echoing through the neighborhood. You said one night, but you stayed two. I'm really getting sick of you. You spent the night, it was 3 weeks straight. Just ask your mom if you can come back home. She kicked you out, so now you're here. Get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I hope you know I'm gonna kick you out. You freaking sound like a hippo animal, choking on me. Oh, I wish I could sleep, but I don't hear your snore. Louder, louder than a lion. It's unbelievable how amazingly loud you snore. I cannot repeat that snore. Can I put a pillow on your face? Something that will take the sound away, that might suffocate you, which would be quite a shame. You said one night, but you stayed two. I'm really getting sick of you. You spent the night, it was 3 weeks straight. Just ask your mom if you can come back home. She kicked you out, so now you're here. Get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I hope you